key patterns and trends. These smart algorithms can often spot things that might be missed in manual analysis, leading to more accurate and reliable results. Moreover, AI can improve process control in chemical sensing. By learning from the data it analyzes, AI can make predictions, recommendations, and even take action to optimize chemical processes. This could mean better product quality, improved safety measures, or more efficient use of resources. But like all things, AI-enabled methods come with their own set of challenges. Integration of AI with chemical sensors can be complex and requires a deep understanding of both fields. There may also be concerns around data security and the reliability of AI predictions. While traditional methods have their merits, it's clear that AI-enabled chemical sensors offer promising advantages, such as faster, more accurate results and improved efficiency. So, as we move forward, the fusion of AI with chemical sensing could very well be the key to unlocking new levels of performance and productivity. So what have we learned about the role of AI in chemical sensors? We've discovered that AI is a game changer in the field of chemical sensing. It provides invaluable benefits, like real-time monitoring and improved process control. These advantages offer a stark contrast to traditional methods, which often require manual intervention and can be time-consuming. Artificial intelligence can analyze a plethora of data in a flash, enabling more accurate and timely responses. It can identify patterns, predict outcomes, and make decisions that humans might miss. This leads to increased efficiency and safety in industries dealing with hazardous chemicals. Furthermore, AI's application in chemical sensors is not restricted to one field. It can revolutionize various sectors, from environmental monitoring to healthcare and even food safety. This technology has the potential to transform the way we understand and interact with our world. With AI's ability to enhance the capabilities of chemical sensors, it's an exciting time to witness the future of chemical sensing technology unfold.